to do Loot Crate and...
And look at, I got my name.
Yeah, she did.
You got me.
Let's open it up.
And I got pink crap. I got pink.
Oh, it's Loot Crate Primal for March.
Look at it.
Get all the stuff.
A sky. Look at
X-Man. That's the Wolverine. Okay, show the Wolverine.
Wolverine X.
Okay, we'll do the shirt.
Take a good look. Take a good look. Do you take a good look or not?
Okay, now do the shirt. And this is exclusive Overwatch Winston's Primal Rage t-shirt. Hold it like this. And Luke's got the loop pin. Show the pin.
Take a good look. Take a very good look.
Okay, and now the bottle opener. And the bottle opener is exclusive Predator bottle opener.
Good look. You did or not?
And the X-Man, hold that up. This
X-Man?
figure is exclusive 100% die-cast metal X-Man Logan Wolverine figure. It's pretty heavy.
No.
No?
Take a good look.
Hold the pin up, Luke. Show the pin.
Take a good look.
And that's the pin.
Take a good look.
Okay, now get the sign. Ooh. Warning. And I think that's a limited... No, I don't know what that is. Let me see. That's a Jurassic World warning electric fence.
What do you mean I put like more?
Take a good look.
What?
You're taking a good look or not?
So that's March's Loot Crate. Primal featured the stuff.
I start watching.
What's your favorite thing?
Are you